Hey, super explorers, welcome. Are you ready to go on an amazing adventure? Today, we're going to find out about a super force that holds our whole universe together. Let's do this. Okay, first, I have a really big question for you. Just imagine for a second, what if there was no gravity? Like none at all in the whole entire universe? What do you think would happen? You got it. The universe would be, well, just gas and dust. Yup. Can you believe that? Without gravity, there'd be no planets, no stars, not even us. Just little floaty bits of stuff everywhere. Kind of empty, huh? But phew, luckily for us, that's not what our universe looks like. And it's all thanks to the hero of our story, an invisible superforce that took care of that whole floaty problem. So what is this amazing invisible force? You know, the one that took all that gas and dust and built everything we see in the sky? What's it called? It's gravity, and gravity is basically an invisible force that pulls things together. You can kind of think of it like a giant cosmic hug that pulls everything closer. And get this huge force that builds entire universes is the very same one you see every single day. Yeah, it's the same exact force that makes your pencil roll off your desk and, pop, land on the floor. That's just gravity saying hi. Okay, so we know gravity can pull a little pencil down, but you know what? It has a much, much bigger job. Let's see how gravity's pull is strong enough to hold our entire solar system together. Wow, check this out. See our solar system? Gravity works like a bunch of invisible strings. The super big sun sends out these strings and holds onto all the planets, including our Earth. It keeps them spinning in their own special paths so they don't just zoom away into outer space. So yeah, gravity is super, super busy. Let's take a peek at its to-do list. It keeps our feet on the ground, so we're not just floating around. It keeps the moon going around the Earth like a best friend who's always there. It keeps our Earth orbiting the sun, which gives us our seasons. And it even pulls meteors toward Earth, which we sometimes see as cool shooting stars. I mean, seriously, can you even imagine? Without gravity, we would all just float away. You'd float right out of your bed, your dog would float out the front door. It'd be a total mess. So let's hear it for gravity. All right, so gravity is obviously super strong. We get it. But what if I told you that you have a superpower, a power that lets you beat gravity every single day? Want to see? So, do you think you can do it? Do you think you can beat gravity? I bet you can. Actually, I know you can. You do it all the time, and you probably don't even realize it. Okay, superhero, here are 3 ways you totally beat gravity. Number 1, when you climb a set of stairs, you're going up, fighting against gravity's pull. 2, when you jump on a trampoline, bang, you're flying. And 3, every single time you throw a ball up, up, up into the air, for just a second, you've won. So how does that work? It's actually really simple. You're just using a bigger force, like the power from your own muscles, to push or pull against gravity for a little while. Your jump is stronger than gravity's pull, but only for a moment. See, gravity always wins in the end and brings you safely back down to the ground. Wow, what an adventure! We learned so much about this incredible force. Let's take a quick second and remember everything we discovered on our gravity adventure. Okay, so what did we learn today? Let's remember, first, that gravity is an invisible pulling force. Second, that this amazing force is what made everything, the sun, the planets, the stars, out of just simple dust and gas. Third, it keeps us safe here on Earth, and it keeps all the planets spinning in their paths. And finally, and this might be the coolest part, we can actually beat it with a bigger force, like when we jump really high. All right, one last thing before you go. Let your imagination run wild. If you had super gravity powers, what would you do? Would you make all your toys float? Or maybe just make it easier to fly up and grab a snack from the top shelf? Have a think about it. Thanks for exploring with me today. Bye.